Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and assembly video. Okay, look at that. I think it looks really actually elegant, and it has a nice black frame that pretty much goes with everything. Goes with our carpet here. We got the black lines, and also my flooring has black lines running around it. So kind of really just helps it pop with, matches everything in the whole living room setup here. Sturdy and functional. I like that the edges are kind of rounded off. They're not super sharp if you have little ones around there. The glass is basically protected by this metal frame. Seems really solid, actually. It's not wiggling around or anything. Solid metal frame there, guys. I think it looks quite elegant, and I hope this is helpful for you. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing and assembly. Hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Okay friends, well, just a quick update here before I get this video out. We opted just to put this as an end table between our two couches. It's plenty wide enough so people sitting on both ends there could put like a coffee cup or whatever they wanted there and hold the lamp and everything else. So I think it looks really good right there. It kind of completes that little corner. So I hope this is helpful. So whether it's a coffee table or an end table, it's just a nice looking piece, minimalistic and stylish.